What's your favorite kind of bird, Evan?
Cardinal.
Why?
Cardinals are more cool than blue jays looking.
More cool than blue jays?
Yep, more cool than blue jays and fiction. But
What kind of sounds do the birds make?
what kind of birds?
Blue jays.
Doop, doop, doop. I already asked you.
Oh, you already told me that, but I didn't have my camera then. They're the loudest kind of birds?
Mm-hmm.
You told me that, huh? What kind of sound does a finch make?
Finches are quiet. Finches don't make noise.
Oh. What about sparrows?
They make this noise. Doop, 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 doop.
Are they annoying?
Nope, they're not.
They're pretty?
Yep, they're pretty.
What bird is annoying?
A starling. Manga thinks starlings are annoying.
She thinks they're ugly, huh?
Yeah.
Do you think they're ugly?
Nope, I think they're pretty.
You think they're pretty? Yeah. Do you see any birds right now?
Huh?
Do you see any birds right now?
Yep, starlings.
Starlings are all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
Missy, don't just shove that whole thing in your mouth. What's a brother doing, Kendall? Kendall. Evan, where are you?
I saw him and I scared away from Manga.
Good job. She doesn't like starlings in her yard.
Yep, he doesn't like starlings in our yard. Only pretty ones and even blue jays. How good?
Stop. What are the orange ones called?
Baltimore Oil.
Yep, they are pretty. What about the blue ones?
They go bunting.
I like those ones. They're my favorite. The all blue ones.
Yep, I like the a little bit blue ones. A little bit blue ones are called blue jays.
Yeah.
But
So what are the red ones?
cardinals.
What if they just have like a red tummy, an orange tummy?
Whatever them.
What are they called then?
Cardinals.
No. What are those birds with the orange tummies called?
Baltimore Oil, I already told you.
No, those are the ones with the bright orange. I mean like the ones that are black but have orange, like a orangish, reddish tummy.
What is it called?
Robins. You know. How about...
Robins.
I freestyle with epic great power. Think of a new video every time I take a shower. Vid's made an